you know it's gonna be a good unboxing when you look at the box and the color says raw.
I like that.
That means it's gonna be a custom finish. I know what the color is, but I have not seen it in person before and not on this wheel either. So it's gonna be a first time for both of us. Oh, that is cool. Wow, that shit looks really good.
Someone was daring enough to pick a cool color.
This finish is just bonkers, man. So this is the Vossen HF-5 wheel, 20 by 12. This is a real wheel for a GTR. There's two finishes that this wheel comes in, matte graphite and it comes in gloss black. But if you're willing to pay a little bit extra and get your wheels custom made, then you're open to 9 different finishes. But if you notice, even in that list of 9 custom colors, purple is not one of them. Haywood, how did you get this wheel purple? What do you know that we don't know? It's very simple.
EVS is the best dealer in the world.
This is a special, one of a kind. No one else has this out there. When the light hits it, you get, of course, the lighter portions, and then the darker portions look really menacing. If you want to have custom hybrid forged wheels, hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. And since we're shipping these out to a client who lives somewhere far, far away, we can do the same for you too.
Slaps the top of a wheel. This right here, that meme where they're like the guy slaps the roof of a car.
This bad boy now has so much damage to it. This bad boy can fit so much spaghetti in it. Mamma mia!
This right here, we have a special on for $1 a wheel, and with tires included. Wait, hold on, I want that deal. Give me this.